Peace and harmony to the collective. I'm sending love to the universe and to everyone who is watching this video. I want to share some words of wisdom with you. Affirmation and harmony. Love. Begin all prayers in thinking by using the all. I am in the love of the all, and all love is in me. I am a part of the all, and the all is a part of me. I am one with the all, and the all is one with me. I can succeed as a part of the all and fail as an individual. I can be all that I wish in the all, as long as my wish is sustained in the all. I am never wrong. Intuition. The all is, I am. The all can, I can. The all does, I do.